Welcome to the Royal Plate, your go-to destination for irresistible, restaurant-quality recipes made simple. Today, we're bringing you a decadent, silky smooth no-bake cheesecake, no oven, no hassle, just pure indulgence. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or craving a creamy dessert, this cheesecake is the perfect choice. Let's dive in. Ingredients for the crust: 200g digestive biscuits or graham crackers, 100g melted butter for the cheesecake filling, 400g cream cheese room temperature, 200 ml heavy cream cold, 100g powdered sugar, 1 tsp vanilla extract, 1 tsp lemon juice, 1 tsp gelatin optional for extra firmness. For the topping optional, fresh berries, fruit compote, or chocolate shavings. Instructions: 1. Prepare the crust. Crush the digestive biscuits into fine crumbs using a food processor or rolling pin. Mix the crumbs with melted butter until well combined. Press the mixture firmly into the base of a springform pan to create an even layer. Refrigerate while preparing the filling. To make the cheesecake filling, whip the cold heavy cream until soft peaks form, then set aside. In a separate bowl, beat the cream cheese with powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and lemon juice until smooth and creamy. If using gelatin, dissolve it in warm water and incorporate it into the mixture. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture until fully combined and silky. 3. Assemble and chill. Pour the cheesecake filling over the prepared crust, smoothing out the top. Refrigerate for at least 6 hours or overnight for a perfectly set texture. 4. Garnish and serve. Once set, carefully remove the cheesecake from the springform pan. Decorate with fresh berries, fruit compote, or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. Slice, serve, and enjoy the rich, creamy goodness. And that's how you make the perfect no-bake cheesecake: creamy, smooth, and absolutely irresistible. Whether you're a beginner or a pro in the kitchen, this foolproof recipe is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to the Royal Plate for more gourmet recipes made easy. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a delicious creation. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!